Somebody like you, that tattoo move now. I don't know doesn't matter what to say about you. I think about you so long, that remind me na daddy. The way I'm to and I'm for now. That you about to move now.
Musica Wopora. Now bundle of joy of the station.
BOJ.
Ntumbumapfura FM. Aware Maroska, aware Utai. Lamubirusuka Lavuna. Yea, Asiani Otai. Kabadibine. Morning drive.
A very good morning to you guys. 11 February 2021. Dilawuna lamanaka nakahane pakambekanya mshumo shia morning drive na ene BOJ atichibindothendibandina ene AUBREY wa Mangenge ndiye producer eno ni show. Heno ni show urusahanguru yorambezi wanga ene Bima concept. How are you doing guys? Notakaramus. I hope ni shapo, ni happy. It's the last day to go stock up on some bear, you know. And it's a ladies' night. It's a Thursday, and let's not forget, or it's a Thursday and it's a throwback. So yeah, that's a Thursday. As a throwback, and since today, because of Valley it's in guys, Valley it's in and Mekanyam morning drive either Jabayada next week on Tuesday, and we won't have a chance or Riambing as well. So the Doracos include you'll be telling us your plans or Valentines, or when are you single? You don't have anyone, and about to celebrate Valentines. It's really sad, hey, usabana partner, but hey, I think maybe need the like one day now on a partner in your phone, and I'm going to value the teddy bear and the Ferrero Rocher. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but yeah, the Ferrero Rocher, is it the flowers? You know, I just saw this page in the rings, the flowers, the rose is Lazaret. It's last one that just one as you anima rose and so rose and rose. Guys, those things are expensive. I don't know if the shop or can I mean it, but those things are expensive. They are really expensive. That don't need better Romeo featuring Fizzy, both the actually and fun and any. As I was saying, then Kadiamba the flowers. Hey, those flowers are really expensive. 4,200 for the flowers. I was like, what? So, zidura usika apanoni. Urimuntu aregulu the flowers. Oh, zivana kapetu. When inina korenga one because of need to be another kind of shop in Lawrence as a flower. 4.2 for red roses. I didn't know they're that expensive. But then because of bangos, they're very deep. But when I would change 4.2 and in 4.2, you want hey, in which I did a month. So yeah, and I'm still going to do Alfuna, but and all that. Let's not forget to read the topic, Yasho. Eniera the barrage kwambanga pungo ilunoni la musimdedezi achikopana na mwana wa chikolo uribei weni libona hani. It doesn't matter uriuba umutu achifuma kazini achikomfana na mwana wa chikolo kana umutu wa munani achikofana na mwana wa chikolo. Nimdedezi for heaven's sake, it's a very wrong matter. These two are wrong, but urinidwana achikofana na mwana wa chikolo. But then some people babona usinabukaki babona everything is okay or dukofana nayo ukomfuna domuambisa and really a kid, that's a kid. Don't want to know why need to urinidwana kofana one. How would you feel in no someone at koloni na nepochini yako jina kacho and then mdedizi wane pukacha chukolo apufana naye kana apujola naye? Do you find it appropriate for teachers to date panabachukolo? Is it because of in my days growing up in the high school, it was very famous, hey, but watch one mudedezi achikofana na mwana wa chikolo, especially aside the Jobek. I don't know here because of netkonjena chikolo pana, but aside the Jobek it was very popular. It was very popular in a way, but Babos normalizer, and now if you're dating a teacher, which means you're very attractive, you're really beautiful. If a teacher could get attracted to you, which means you're really beautiful, and actually it lifted up the self-esteem zabangobana. I don't know why it happened, or how could you your self-esteem get lifted so the final we had locals, those the Tezers about the Shumisa to get to school, we called them locals at Tuzibona Panovenda and so one of the taxi all over. So at Jobek we had locals in name maybe Nichkoya local and Epanqua Mashoponiatini. You get into a local, and school kids used to date those people who want to drive as the locals, and apparently it benefited them. Uribawana transport and school is not even that far. But mutu uko takalila wana the benefit zuri ene ukuchula na mtu ono driver local ane amisa chikoloni mahara. You see, then the next thing when you get violated, you can't even speak up because of you dating that person, and you think it's okay or unviolated because of that person is older than you, and you get scared of them, and there's no issue about you get scared to report them. Such matter as my boyfriend who is older than me is abusing me. You the first thing that they will ask you is that and which is also wrong because of my police or they are protected from such things. When I got to report such matters, if I was dating an older person, that's gonna this person ukung abuse, police should take a step by generally because of you can even get abused if you didn't know that. So yeah, I discuss and I said or gender aiko generator. It's either you're a woman or a man. If you're dating a school kid, it's wrong. And the I see achievement. It's not an achievement. Don't want to come but and all that. No one majita akomu tutuweza achikumbuzorio in and all that. It's very wrong. Morning drive na BOJ matudin kwa makalutingo 079-304-3503 kana wasata the voice note zabo ka 0813554103. Don't forget to advertise with us, guys. Screenage no nichine chaba ni murawanga chobe chelo abe ubanene kotododa night amabindu abe na kungwezo za mabindu. And if you want to come here for an interview, you can contact our producer Yanga. The details are going to see kazi comment after the show. And today, don't forget to do the throwback. It's gonna be so fun. Don't and of course, you know Oripano local as like let me play you Bomo featuring Ras Candy or the actually 1 in a million.
It's a Ras for you, man. Candy. Talk. You see when me light up my sleeve, them con blood glass with my girl Ras for you, man. Candy. 1 in a million, baby, for you. I'd rather spend it in a billion. Hold my hand, walk with me. Can you hear me calling? Can you hear me calling? Child of a guy way. He don't define a nine. They come up with a mine. But they come out and he wanna die. Rufunoro wanane. Kalero rumune. Baby boom baby. Ndamu wana crazy. Opaka boot unga pay juicy. Memeza muromo zango singa juicy. Odamba libuzi. Smali chawa nacho achinzuzi. Rufuno rashu. Ritorisa kankan. Ruto dipasa mafura tantan. Ranga samura mwali pompom. 1 in a million, baby, for you. I'd rather spend it in a billion. Hold my hand, walk with me. Can you hear me calling? Can you hear me calling? Where you wanna this matter? Musindina yendi the processor. Ileruba bra. Musindina yendi yang kagisa. Unita yang funesa. And the foot in the muchuchuza. Rufuno rashurunga kobe. Nkori mi kurukukuta. Tinde dingaye ndi darangaye. Majita sa baloni abo kubangaye. Achifuka ba ambangaye. Dimsuku chitambingaye. Musindi chivuwa ndi fusongaye. Kuya big and the chef una SS. Sura clean unga mistress. Yes, yes. 1 in a million, baby, for you. I'd rather spend it in a billion. Hold my hand, walk with me. Can you hear me calling? Can you hear me calling? Come closer, make we dance tonight. Yeah, me say come closer, me say let me hold you for night. Baby in the record fair, rock it to the left. Say my boy dance. We don't care who's watching, my and I. So me show you me run out of words. That we want to go about in the war so shy. My friends keep telling me I am a fool. Nigga, this is a humble in the common fool. Nati. Tinetingaye, ndi tarangaye. Majita sa baloni abo kubangaye. Chitaratani ndi bandinaye. Mabari songangaye. Idi pangaye, ndi posongaye. Direngangaye, nda spendangaye. Udi kabisa na clash pass. She's the best, I confess. 1 in a million, baby, for you. I'd rather spend it in a billion. Hold my hand, walk with me.
was Bomber featuring Raz Khanley, that you're 1 in a million. Do you remember those bangers? It's like Nirimbo Ramroba, and it's still a hit. Tell me about it. Yeah, today, and I'm Robert. You'll be dancing, you'll be sweating. It's a ladies' night. Don't forget, it's not only a throwback, it's a ladies' night. And please stock up on those verbs. It's one of the pin. Hey. Yeah, it's a morning drive in a BOJ and produce wangane AUBREY wa Mangenge in a mukanya mshumo yirambezwanga bima concept. Guys, and do you send your songs? Ka email she will leave the details cause comment after this show. And don't forget to come and advertise with us because of being do cheat without an advertisement. Advertisements was the quote amba happen in kitchen on the screen and then the banda amba ngahazo. So you see, and we're very affordable, very much affordable. Let's talk about those teachers by name. But data bana bachikolo rasinandaba or gender ndifiyo kana. I mean, we're not looking at gender here because of it is very wrong. Whether zikuito anga mtu achifumakazi onga mtu achinani, it is wrong. Rasongo bia rastu towards those to end mwana wa chikolo wa mtu kana atikofana mdedezi bewo makhrot man koto mrazuri msongo twan ko batutu wezani ko budza mwana uri ndiskoko ofara limama. That's what you call older people. Ofara limama ukoro mama shapu bad. You know ako mama shapu bad ajule na then life will be great. Ashimlenga step. You see, thing is not to jump out step ka life. Then you'll be saying what life is not fair and blah blah blah. Don't go read it and call Rasa. Don't do that. 0793043503 call Zashu the Thomas Dangane Zashu, you know. Kanaba voice note 0813554103. So Musum dedezi echkoloni ushanduka uba mu baby kangona chikolo azudira runa kangona chikolo musa chikoloni ushanduka uba mwana kamudedezi. So it automatically changes from being a teacher to parenting and to being a kid to that parent. So done bachibojola na hoyo mwana atitapfesesa uri ezulani zori parenting and a kid bone babono zisia apertanganize call Ntumbumapfuraonlineradio batanganeza.
Hello.
Rovu wabatakala.
The bundle of joy.
And the bundle of joy unena kwamba.
Ndio mojana ka fungwe la mbedi kazi.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Ndimdede kazi wachifuma kazini. Thank you. Ndasazdibi. Yes, karijene kalo.
Hello?
Karijene kalo nilupungu.
Ndandibona lokake anga manda ngori arali umudedezi umudedekazi uva uyiwe muranga phanda une uva ukotoyo ubeledzisa vana vene vadova varanga phanda valino shango va machero. So ava toto humbula arali nne ndi mudedezi ndikufana na mwana wa chikolo tonifo choshoma ngori arali kufunana udosvika chimwe chinodova na kudhana zvikamborara ndi kilasini kana ndi mini onombonera kana kundirera auchadova notonisa napi ende namwana urari umukaitisana umuudzana umachero namusana vangana vavo angevudzura vava vati uri zvakakeya namanda.
It's very much wrong. Arikoribu wabo kononjinela bari talucheza mumbro wabo ngelino nifungo.
Is on a bundle of joy.
Thank you very much. Babina tubala buditire.
Sure.
That was caller or that talucheza uri how wrong it is dating a school kid as a teacher. Imagine ni break apana na bangana because of us girl, especially in the we discuss those things ni ban kwamba hey the six pack and then talucheza bangana banga six pack ya teacher. You see, or is to super complex, like it's about complicated and all that. Then it was in a class and you know, much call what Tomoni say, Abachane respected because of one of them knows you naked. Yes, because of when you're busy getting into relationship with kids, even sexually, which is wrong. So, Musini call on him dead even baby, Kabana, never batch call, nine one, or dotoba avanwana, Kainu, and Tony Panam Tony Panafunzana, Nadovana Funzana Gazop, Chilo, Funza, and one Gazop Chilo, if in Inuquita, Zozo, Tonico, Vura Maruk, Panda Van, and go Poporam, Bruba never got your brother, the brain wood, Zavi, guys, don't do that. most of the learners baba start to reach a legal age to date older people by high school because of Nendo Penza High School. When I finished high school, I was 17, and I just got over 17 in October. So I was 16 this whole time, the metric. You see, so we is illegal or need data and teachers are not 18 years old. You see, so when I say a legal age, I'm saying from then Baba say 18 yet, most of them, just like myself, I'm telling you, Dobana 17 when it was October, and that time I think the exams were 16 and I was about to exit high school. So a kid is 18 or 17, and then some days and things get complicated, and then you'll be saying we were in love. No, according to law you were not. According to law you took advantage of that kid, which is wrong. Let me take you back. Moisi, our legend, our living legend, even now this as a banger misofel or that you to wango.
Marabanji bato kombe chetza, marabanji bato kombe chetza, marabanji bato kombe chetza, marabanji bato kombe chetza. Mara mutu wangu, hey, mutu wangu, mara mutu wangu, mutu wangu, ene mutu wangu damfuna ushikira, ene funa wangu na inye ngasi dofera. Wango damfuna ushikira ende funa rango na ngasi dofera. Yo kadenge no ribe rotati ana misofili utachira chotati na routine tozia wenga se rotati final ludo believer kat prophecy kari misofila musapotati ana nidi yor tameria kotati nikodara maratinga nweli kotati so mutoto kartomeri utotati rotati rido ito rotati funa ranga ndido mufarotati rotati niko mufazoneti tinga shaichi tingori nzimuhoneti syafanga mungana wawe asizoneti so weekend kade ribe rotati na honeti upenye saruboneti uyambonechera endelisishoneti ene mutu wangu damfuna ushikira ene funa wangu na ngasi dofera. Hey, ene mutu wangu damfuna ushikira ene funa wangu na ngasi dofera. Yo, risamwenga bukoto tutu biru yenga buturani when I'm next to you, and the foot in the buria niko rada flu so wakasurina non chata tu na musindiko chitemera tiko tata tu and then namusinda fumura tingo kwata tu murati wa yangra tokia rata tu yani buza hoi mudindo pata tu no paka tu ni smart no naka tu na rufuno na muzimu na zisaka tu na plaka tu ni mewa zichaka tu eyo bavenda bo musheshe na bo shaka tu asa tu todo witata tu changringi na maruku o pata tu no rata tu ativanga charata tu kambule zine rako pata tu ene mutu wangu damfuna ushikira ene funa wangu na ngasi dofera. Hey, ene mutu wangu damfuna ushikira ene funa wangu na ngasi dofera. Marabanji bato kombe chetza, marabanji bato kombe chetza, marabanji bato kombe chetza, marabanji bato kombe chetza. Oyu mwana na sikonsi uyapaka, noni buta ndo shibono rionaka. Satika rikindi chimbule ndo muhaka, ambona bangwe basitana uyaraka. Nena yeroko kwana roto kwa kwa, hani haba uri uto dabonaka. Uyapa piko malahano kima kwa kwa, ndani chani kodama uyamtamaka. Hey, baby shangwe mataga, misofili utatura omugaga. Hey, yesu ziba ndo mutaza, ndamupa juzi roto na maafukada. So baby, asamutaga, disi mukada kuni wampare mahaga. Mwana wabudele asina buyaga, ndamudindera buyaada. Ene mutu wangu damfuna ushikira ene funa wangu na ngasi dofera. Hey, ene mutu wangu damfuna ushikira ene funa wangu na ngasi dofera. Marabanji bato kombe chetza, marabanji bato
That was Misofil of the Achire Mutuanga. It's a throwback, it's a ladies' night. Rokondula Madinga Amrau, Hezi today. Rokondula Amrau, or hey, some of these people, even now, they still do. So, I was a pandana topic Yashu Henonina could discuss. I only do Balana Musi. I was Kwambor, Nibona Hanin Nunfungula Musi, the Achko data, Monowach Koro. So, you're in the comment. This one is Mudau Taylor. Chilidzi uri machironi abudi hayo ndi matudzi khaladzi ende asizvabudi mudededzi uva akuviolate right dza mwana wa chikolo plus udinyadzisa. This one is Tendani Chikoro ari good morning sasi together live from Pretoria onondiene Lionel Mukwebo uri ubva Velapanda mauna vatu rote. This one is Nemachorani Vusivi Uri Muzika Ndiwoni. Told you. This one is Mularo RSA Maguga Uri good morning. This one is Nelson Kakati Uri good morning my sister Karisube. This one is Bongo Beni Arenzanzuna. This one is Samantha Nedomberoni Ari Ubachisau Luciao Adza Diri Zo Azongo Kake nga uri na mwana ukutofuna arali otova ambisa nga uri ano maduva una vadededzi vana aungo kakea chitu. So what do you mean chiri una vadededzi vana? I don't think there's a teacher ane ava 18 years old high school. So what do you mean una vadededzi vana? Or you mean 22 uyanta? Because of, I think 22, that will be the youngest. And in South Africa, if a kid is 18, they are only allowed to date someone who's not older than them by 2 years. So what are you saying, actually, unabana? They're still minors, but they're still kids. They're still in high school. So let's treat kids as kids. This one is Bright Chidino. What a good morning bundle of joy. Rota Uva Emalahleni Widbank, the Valabuti. Now, this one is Chilizi. Moebi Urukosuva Rota Ubanga Hapa Sunnyside. This one is Kangezo Chilo. Mangenge, Arumelisiu. How's there, AUBREY? And this one is Zakarani Viewboy Orinjanjuna. This one is Mushema Fenya or Muzika Wabudi. People are loving music today. And then this one is Star Wall Pepumure or all the way from Joburg. We are connected. Let's stay connected, guys. Don't forget to send us a voice note 081 3554103. Anadit Hingozitomo Mpunga 079304 3503 07930435303. Carissa Panther discuss Helini Pungola Vadedi Zibaneba Kujola Navana Bachkoro. So, kama pungo orario reblema badedids most of the time. Of course, sorry. Most of the time the reblema badedids kana mdedekazi because over I enyamtuane ava muhurane is the person who's supposed to take responsibility between the two people. If anyone wachikoro achikoni ambisa, why is akonu hana na mukaiza chotoma ninu muhurane. Oh mwana noni pano venda futhi zuba songo khakhe. I don't think uruskolo nzapana zuba zo khakhe la skolo za Joburg. Mwana anite zosituna office ni yamjana skana thoma na munyambu dzanga tham. Yes. Nyasvika na thoma na muri nyamnya bibili ito amba uri ningasimubula yoyo mwana ara na thoma na muru. Because of ni mu baby. I'm pretty sure nangwe na phone na baby wawe na bidza meeting. They're going to do the very same thing. I'm not promoting violence or what, but then chingashpinga it's a spank. Yes, it's a spank. But since because of sometimes stress but then article promoter you know what? Principal omwana ukombudza makungo aso ene ndikofestor arongo ariambe naye samwana rimukaidze rimusumbedze ndira nisongo tango tutuwedze zo student nini na bupudza na mwana uriya nange nduri ndikale ndonisedza nduri nokula kukete musinji kutefura ni kudzuna ndaspesoria ini ni type yanu mwana wachikolo. So, some of the learners have learned or they seduce these teachers. We may deny all we want. But unabana bano seduce. Yes. Nabana bano seduce my teacher. And bachipedza uba seducer. At the end of the day, the teacher ndiye onotiya uba responsible akaidza hoyo mwana, even if mwana wachikoro ane seducer natozvifa, especially babasadzi babafumakazi bamadhorani, they get confused. You see, mtu achifumakadzi ane amadhorani mwana zvino asvika apa unotopfesa kuti because of it's a guy, I'm not violating. It's violence. You are violating the rights dzahoyo mwana. Just because of you're a woman doesn't mean or don't commit a statutory rape to that kid. He's a kid, and to you, sir, she's a kid. Nimwana kana baseducer svika guy abapengulera zvikete abasumbedza zvirumbi. Avoid. Bakaidze mwana bamusumbedza, you know what? You will be expelled when I'll go to the principal's office, banipa a warning letter, and when I will be expelled if you continue. So I don't think corona manane anga todo chibeta is a future yawo. I'm the disabled. So why this advertise? Let me play you this beautiful song, my neighbor nga Rodana Fumi.
That's a beautiful girl. Ndimuneba wanga mato awe niyapenganga ele nidoribu wame awe omubisapa no shangoni muneba make narielo muntuza uri mini beze kadendi amena ye sikundi larangaye nasokose andinote ariana musulatini kadendi ambe. You got a smile of an angel and a band of maga in there tijato dana mungu. That's a beautiful girl. Ndimuneba wanga mato awe niyapenganga ele nidoribu wame awe omubisapa no shangoni muneba make
Otsambiru yanga matsuratsini wanga if I feel away, you see I'm a carry, hey, we're on I'm gonna open this Hot to baby, the ten, got a phone, no.
That's a beautiful girl. Ndimuneba wanga mato awe niyapenganga ele nidoribu wame awe omubisapa no shangoni muneba make
There's a handsome boy,
ndimuneba wanga
smiley child,
niyapenganga ele nidoribu wame awe omubisapa no shangoni muneba make. That's a beautiful girl. Ndimuneba wanga mato awe niyapenganga ele nidoribu wame awe omubisapa no shangoni muneba make.
handsome boy.
Ndimuneba wanga mato awe niyapenganga ele nidoribu wame awe omubisapa no shangoni muneba make.
Loros Fizi featuring Funi with the Bachiro Muneba. It's a Thursday, it's a throwback Thursday, it's Valentines, road, yeah. It's a very What am I saying? Yeah. Dindrene Yoribaka Valentines are Koyaka Valentines are going to Zorbe, Funana, Regalan, the flowers, the cherry bears. Visani Bay, Mrengreni that Hennessy in a iPhone. Mrengreni those shoes that cost 4,000 in a taking a coiton. Mrengreni Matera and Aquatoda. You see, what was going to have a men's conference about Namrengra Matera, what Zura Bore, Bay no compun. So, I just discuss a pungo, Labadid, Zibaneva data. I received this comment while playing music. Rorote uvangelele. It's to VLV urote uvangelele hamandiwana. Uri ndinga kubonele kwanga ndiwona uchiva abuse mwana wa chikolo and udova hapo abuser richida kama mapungo abdzekani nda ndimulaudzi tuwani ubva hamandiwana ndende. So ukambori it's not only abuse kana the rights don't know you even are violating that person sexually, that learner sexually. And this one name comment yapona nindaibona futi okay ndichedza mawera or teachers who date school teenagers are trash. Kausoko kwasha madinga Jeff. Thank you very much, Chedza. So teachers who date learners are trash, and yes, it should be a hashtag. Teachers who date children are trash. Yes, just go to your hashtag. It's not nice. Hey, nisongo bononga ini champion ini chko data mudede kazi wangu kana chko data mudede wangu. It's as achievement. So Kanjimani Machikolo finds nothing wrong in crushing the teachers. I've been saying this, but then it is wrong when the teachers start entertaining them. So my teacher bafuna rungo crashwanga bana batuku. I remember in high school growing up, there were two teachers actually who used to date school kids. Yes, and my high school time, there were two teachers who used to date school kids. Letulwazi Comprehensive School. There were two teachers who used to date school kids. Just that I won't mention Mazinabo, but they were. And as a student, we knew. And Aran Mapungo Aviashka as a student, which means other teachers knew too. So which means Ababa Soko Gia Lipungo Balijia Samapungo Aserias was Bajola, Baratan, Batandana, Mutumurane so. And they were old guys. That teacher was very old. The wrinkles kids zikoshika mtu oguga but ukujana na mwana wachikolo and rari just dozo rola mwana acha office ya that teacher ukoshika IT. So guys npungola ba dede zimuno data wana wachikolo liyankwatita. I get angry nichambanga because of nani na mwana ndo beba. Imagine achikotujulana teacher or how would I feel about that, you see. So yeah, teachers find it entertaining. Babas entertainer musi mwana chikoro achiko flatanabo. They find it really attractive. And then zungo skoro azuji elifungo serious. Bali jali fungo lolo badi. Musumdede zo owanara. Uko fana na mwana chikoro. Udo na principal ako dismiss that matter like it's nothing, guys. Actually dismiss ongari. Nothing happened. And wawanori, hey guys, man, mushiga shigoni wakuhiti. It's not nice. So principal actually dismiss such matters, which means uko promoter or you can go on and date school kids. It's okay to date kids. That's what you say as a principal. So mnendiko isapungo anepoka the principal zithoza chikolo ndukambori veiwe ili nonipungo lijeni serious mutu ane akupana na mwana chikolo wani satebeleli ndaitewa ya chikolo inenopigwa ngamubuso inena kotiyo ishimiza hane pokasha chikolo about teachers who are dating school kids. One is ashumisa zutu. The worst scenario ndi musi uchipo bana tumbu hapo kutu. It doesn't matter if umdede kazi ani abana tumbu kana ni mwana wa chikolo wamsizana ani abana tumbu. Uchipo bana tumbu huko tu iti, I mean, what happens? You guys are now being a couple, a stable couple na patamuta na nzurano ote antano techikolo inga transport onti ndedezi na muna na mzazi na mwana chikolo. Is that how it has got you? But in South Africa or normalize us to it's not normal, guys. No, man. Things now get more complicated, and learners think it's cute to actually date people who are older than them, and it's not. It's really not cute, guys. Udaytime did is one, especially where was done, it's really not cute. You go jump a step, isn't it? Go to already chimbire zone, and then the next thing you get pregnant. You are pregnant in you was shown no Dutch colony, you go to and then boom, your future is gone. All a teacher every month to the back on 500 euro support one. Any future in your jeopardy is a just because of where na and walk on number to get a chance na tight. Na ribopella mobilini one in go to one each hove and go running in a go. Guys, don't do that. And yes, Panoria Amba, stop doing that. Richano Tanicola and Amatuba Vula and it's called Vula's Brandwood. Burukwa Kotia and Namakura and the business go Vuranginda. Why are you doing that? And it's going to change that one with a why this actually happens. Really, one is very Usiwana and you know 2 words. Uswana buko tutuweza kaya no mavungo aurinwa na chikolo adwana chiko data mudedezi kana mudedekazi because of waonori bango mdini bako shaya runi bako balilo nkerisa ende bangani bako renga ziphahlo bako renga zikota bako renga zidekudu and when you run have money ngoto ane yopaka and ngobono rupaka is very low. No, it's not low. How am I going to afford? And you know we are not that because of you want things to be better for your family. So why in unit kotea officer sorry upakach colony it's very low. It's not low, man. It's not low. Pitch black afro. It's the throwback.
Beautiful Nubian queen. Zahimi, Minanawe, Sifu son. Please, my baby, son. I see for Nashana, baby. Then sing it to her. You be tired of my baby. Oh, yes, young man. Pelelo Makama, a very avenbalwa. My flower. Before we tint and tatty shower. Abufana now we have a record bagazalwa. Power to you, my black woman. Chocolate and brown skin, so clean, beautiful woman. Talangi Peggy Lemzuani Kalagi one. Papu me go woo, abagege san. One of your she's a potisu young Krisha. Okay, because go taga by your wisha tisha. You are a beautiful creature. Narutano, my feelings, you shouldn't be my teacher. And like his keeper, no hands and Tomazano Nanzishan. Otandum Nantis when I'm asking will find it and not. So shy and tango van with Tanish no Mangenge. Nada keke, taki kissing longa.
Never let you go.
Never.
Because you're a perfect girl. I don't care who don't think so. I don't think so. I'll never let you go.
Never.
Because you're a perfect girl. I don't care who don't think so.
I'm black is beautiful. I'm a ball, I'm a bloody fool. Okay, beg all them sabotage. Oh, sugar, my telling you rule. Oh, tough was a wool. You make me lose my cool. Long as I'm a calacuna, stupid, never went to school. Say I confess, I yes, impress. Oh, Moshe, yes. Now, what a bit patalelo, and abe, oh, priceless. Respect, God bless, cause I oh, ye goddess. I never careless, so perfect princess. Oh, what ever come to Patricia kinda. When's you my kind? Lizzie, oh, yeah, me shy is kinda. And yak tanda. When's my ada? You my everything, you my Kentucky rounder. I'm trying to I never let you go, no. Yashisa Yabanda, no my go on snow. The way you look, baby, you make my heart skip. Ila my lips, hips, and legs, I'm a see my chips.
Because you're a perfect girl. I don't care who don't think so. You're so perfect. I'll never let you go. Because you're a perfect girl. I don't care who don't think so.
Hi, Suga, baby.
Baby, you blessed with finesse. For you, I want nothing less. Just the best, I confess. I wanna be with you till the end. We'll be together forever. To put that ring on your finger, you know will be my pleasure.
Oh, push the push on go for the next thing I'm on the shoe. Yeah, for my baby, woo. Oh, time to go Kuzo say go Pasos Bafume, Papenuele, Ringi Faga go.
We'll never let you go.
That was Pitch Black Afro or the Achire Never Let You Go. So, bangar kwa makarutingo 0793043503 kana barumele voice note kana bato baba send a message 0813554103 or send us through your comments. Baba kurubuzor, what do you think gamudedezi kana mudedekatsi ane aho data mwana wa chikolo bone balibonani linofungo, is it wrong or is it right? And if you think it is right, the ministers are justify your answer yabo. So Richard Abelson Pano South Africa Economini Act number 32 of 2007. It is illegal for any person under the age of 16 to consent or be involved in any sexual act. Children will not be charged for a child under 16 to have sex with a partner less than 2 years or older. Zvinozokoto ambori ndaitewa yapano ikwambori azviho murayoni uri mwana rena 16 uyapasi adiwane aka sexual relationship with any person ane ava 2 years older than them, ane ava muhuru ane kavo in 2 years. So thing is bewendori bakojola, and if bakojola they are sleeping together and murayo pono South Africa akostend, if a 16 years old achko data a 17 years old, then it's okay and they have access, it's okay. But then if a 16 years old achko data mtu ane aba older than 18, it's very wrong. So I don't think kuna teacher laba 18 years old hange high school, even na primary. I don't think kuna teacher laba na 18 guys. So you see urebe unko violate mraiwa pano Africa chipembe une mubuso wo dawa uwe esnone bone bachibo commit such crime bachibo la edela na mwana esnone zufi statutory rape. So if you are dating an older person, it may be out of love, so that person will face jail time. Bone bangambori sangona chikolo ari nini koto bafuna balabo tichere nduri biru yanga iduga muliro ndiche babona nduri ndizokofa chimwe na chimwe chichifreza murayo aona mshumo nazvo wola muntu ukodhof ariwa ende agwebiwa bakozutha aluza license yawo yofunza nduri ukopelwa ngamshumo, everything, they lose everything because of olorufuno lunebeona kwamba ngaluribeoni kufuna. Why is that mna mdicha ava high school na kono data nae and onwaruono ba 18 at least or 21 to be exact, because of 18 ndibona mtu achikadiba mwana batu bamrena 18 years old mtu achikadiba bakadiba na mad apato mad pet. Even if we say Raza was justifying and zotrari na woni nduri bana babazana batabanyo mature, it's not true, abatabanyo ba mature. So what really happens when a teacher dates a student? So a participant in one of these can face charges of violating school policy, abuse of power, sexual misconduct, sexual harassment. Teacher engaging in such could lose their job. So most of you ask, what happens when a student is over 18? And then that student or una 18 achabana 16 is they're legal una 18. What happens when musuzono toralo? Still, you're not allowed to date a student or a learner. That's why universities also attended you. Those to Zawanara, Bone Batu Batuma Basenga way, Batuma by Miswana Mshumo, Kwamba University and you never to another 20 minutes. You are not allowed to date a learner or a student. It's not allowed. Kabaliche Uzama or justifiers to Zoraro. Who got that sports shows, you know, AUBREY Mangenge. Numutanganizanga track la Koraba DJ Bruggs, Kofana now.
I will forever think of you. I will forever imagine you in my life. I can go far and away. I can go far and away. I will forever think of you. I will forever imagine you in my life. Oh, go far and away.
My name is easy to call out.
It's 10:09 our Ojena. Aubrey wa Mangenge. Mr. Twiri, how are you?
Nandi dotakaranga manda mani bundle of joy chipurusha Dakar.
Yes, we know takarela men's conference because attitude wana no takaranga indira.
Macho kutua, macho retua men's conference nanzingwa ado dipinanga manda men's conference. How does it men's conference? I don't come to Zovan now.
Out we the way at the Ruanga Moya.
I don't know where and Nagamaru 4,000 and now one in the road tree.
Oh, and since I don't know, so yana musi hii topiki ya fitakai since ene achikugudela budededzi ambudzoro elipungulana mso ulibonana na msumdededzi achikofana na mwana chikolo.
Okay, mandate wa chikolo guys, you know kuda zunangishikiro niludzopi dededzi angotendera kufunana na mwana chikolo wafunana na uya dismissiwa ndingazo kamse chona banga badededzi ala mtoto wa pregnant mwana chikolo vambodamba vaitolo vaitemi vamumale or umbodipindimi the wife but avoid those to like kongwana but according to me like I don't feel like it's good, like I feel like it's bad or chipinga as a teacher ne vana influence kangwana like vana vana sa they are hero and stuff ni vana influence and I would like zvisakanjinga kamse niko show me that influence and vanoita mini or manipulate mini.
So it doesn't matter if that kid is 18, that learner is 18 years old.
It doesn't matter if they're 18 or what, as long as you are teaching this teacher student and go tender or ufunana na mwana wachikolo.
Thank you.
The thing I'm showing, like conflict of interest, so yeah, like how do you respect someone and like
ndezvimwe ndozvina dwanisha komproduce apana ndichikombudzori mini nanenda bonibudza mapongo anzvina
so zviadina zvichidanepo man.
Yeah, very much wrong. So update us on sports and tell us rokweti yani.
Yeah, dziko byanga manda paka sports timu dziko but before satuamba ne anditomendiite zvinda dumangaso ndiko vatanganidza kunoka Ntumbumapfuraonlineradio tinazvimene ndipi Aubrey wa Mangenge Mr. Aubrey action kavala vanomufuna kuti ndinamye chiputo cha Dakar bundle of joy.
You're very dramatic. You're very dramatic. Do you really have to do that?
I have to. Ndiwo mapo ndiro dzachikokuyenga manda ndiwo mapo wanikobvisa
ndichikoromuza timu yami yako liyo
abe zinatozvidiwa ati izori ano maduva auchahotoriwa whether it's what or what, so ndichita ndiko vatanganidza kunoka.
Oh, so okay.
Yeah, and then before ndisati yapanda ne ari ndi tomato appreciator na watu vavendanya appreciator paka show yashuva ne when we go live all the time I see them comments. Mtunangavo Wongoveni is our biggest fan. We appreciate you, my man. Thank you very much. We're not going to be Bright Chidino. Is also like always there on our show. So we see your support and yeah, you are one of the people that I show I was about those two people are going to be there. So we thank you very much for that. And I want to the panda
we appreciate and we would love for you or whenever panu needs a cash.
Yeah, abantu vakudzenda kati myakeza chiefs dziko byangamanda timu yakeza chiefs ndi timu yavo ikotamba Morocco this week ichikotamba mapungwana avo and CAF Champions League nganondirane zvinozva kuti vange Morocco vakohana upa Chiefs zvimini passport visa ya uda vari ngoruna corona kuna South Africa vakoambori vakoshavoshatwa corona nge so vakohana timu yake Chiefs ichiyange zvinozva kusasi kuambori vakef vatopedza kuja decision uri vaita mini ngelokungo upuwa vapiyo wini kana huitia mini hange nda Champions League araluna zvazva so vaita uri vaone shango lavukati vaambedzane vadzitimu dzitangana nengeso alizona pane vatozviitana mara zvinozva kuno zori mutambo usvika zvino ndichikwamba navone zvino havana dzichanduko udova kucanceliwa muro vadzotamba dzimwe kaFA Cup yetimu yaSpurs yabubudziwa ngatimu yaEverton ngaskoro zvina kazoraro dzadzikuvya ngamanda hakokorwa zvikoro vitu hakokorwa zvikoro zvizhinji ngamanda tero
zvinji
zvikoro zvinji chitauro chachapita chipiri ndi zvinji What, like, if there are two, there's a few more. So more like that is range. As one can.
Oh, okay. So two is more.
Yeah, from 2 and above in this range.
Wow. Okay. I forgot.
What's the name? And then Sunday the Valentine, one name to Achkona Golengora 4,000. I told the Zoma aware also got to imagine I don't actually tend to change. I to remove Mabuzo. Mabato, I am 12 hours to say Mabuz in Gorgona to upon the social media.
Do you include you?
And I know the woman toss and include an Odaya or bleacher. Wagona, Ekasuya Comito, we are in Gianas, you know, Arubishama Woods, the color of Yanyana, so. Guys,
this guy. Oh, okay, because of we're in public, I don't each other's guy. Let me love him.
Now, that was Namapungo, but I'm so very black, but I'm notice the cheap project, a bundle of joy.
Different design.
And what Diva, and a surprise, and I'm give her. Una show, new show, iko uda, wana lona AUBREY action. Ah, do the fanga manda.
Bas ambur doro future ni.
Mr. Terry, na smooth.
Good dad.
Tiki zo ato smooth, smooth na smooth. Aina o ina you.
Dure.
Omuna mala smooth.
Dure na ndoro kotori ndilibali le zinati ndapfesa sori hey ndisimu izati boto muzori ndisimu ndaftomoro eh uzumbo chikoro tungo yakacho musi ngori nditiba smooth double O.
Yeah, office smooth the one na panga mgivera from 9 a.m. to 10:30 ngakwaudza mugozi wote bone.
Irindi nibuzi odiba mugozi. Smooth. Odiba mugozi ndikharizwa file dzote dzikobva araleli nikunyago confess nambani ni confess ngori smooth ofara mugozi.
And utobudza bathu why all smooth uri smooth is zvinako zvilachi rupi smooth zikobva
smooth zikobvapi
SMUTH ai man smooth is zvaminina
smooth
nevazondi vafuna ngamanda ndi Mr. AUBREY action Mr. Chelo nsudeni wa Mangenge Chelo usina na zvimwe ndibafuna Zone.
Thank you very much, AUBREY Mangenge over the channel. Sports update. Henon Indioni morning drive 9 BOJ at Chiminotendi Bandina AUBREY Mangenge as a producer Tikwamba as a sports show whatever he did here because of Otozobadu Uditenongari comedian Richidaka. This was a very nice show, but then Arituva Panwini determined by the comment ya bright Chidino Urman Washkolo over Pasi Hamudede because of Mdede's own control and influence on the students' grades. And the Machudeni Batoma will create problems toward the student, and it's not about the age, but the appearance of impropriety. Chukua. Ne ati imina lo bundle of joy, zokake angamanda ngauri Mdedezi utea unea funzo kamwana, not to destroy umachiro hangwana. So you had that. It's Thursday, was those only throwback and the Thursday ida or the Varus Koshimit as well. Pasangangor Valentines, Yoshika, Abajimuna, Bopinga Tambo, Mopeka or else Ogodo to Wawimu to Aya Comments Conference and Arkunya Gezo to Kunya Gamaruba 4.2. 4.2 red roses. Yes, nothing as a finish to now. I'm not leaving you alone. Go Siana along with Dinga. Good Dala. Do you remember the song? I don't leave Hannah will start January. Hey, go to who? Go to who? Go to who? Go to. I love you so much. Uvanepaka bundle of joy. Morning drive. Vanepaka Ntumbumapfuraonlineradio. FM. Ndiko visa jeje.